Hey everyone, how's it going? This is Average Joe Crypto here, back with another episode for you guys. And I'm not sure if you saw my last video. I uploaded one on Friday, December 22nd, and I was showing you guys the CoinMarketCap website here. And you might say, yeah, well, looks exactly as it did on the 22nd. But what you may have not have noticed, which I wish I took a screenshot of so I could have showed you guys, yesterday on the 23rd of December, this was all double-digit greens, all double. You could have made some solid, at least 20% gains in just a day. And now that it's gone down again so much too, this is like a Christmas miracle here. You can bet that by the week before New Year's, this coming week right now, this is going to bounce back into double-digit greens, and you're going to have a nice solid gain if you jump in before that happens. But today I have my 5 banker coins for 2018, my long-term holds that I I predict will make you a nice chunk of money by this time next year. So I'll start from the bottom up. First one here, Bitconnect. Bitconnect is a crazy service, really crazy service right now. It's really picking up in popularity, and it's dipping right now, which is why it's a good time to buy. And what this service does is you lend out coins. You have to use the Bitconnect coins, which is perfect because once it gets more attention, people are going to have to buy these coins, which is going to drop up the price. And basically, you lend out the coins, and they give you insanely unbelievable interest rates in return for your lending. So this is one that you're definitely going to want to look at sooner rather than later for your 2018 bag. And then number 4 here, I have Burstcoin, which is one of the original coins out there. It came out in like 2014, I think around 2014. And a crazy one with Burstcoin is how you can mine it. Most mining takes a lot of energy. It's not really efficient, and you use a lot of processing power. You need a lot of equipment. But with Burstcoin, you can mine it with a hard drive. So you can go on Amazon and buy like a 1 or 2 terabyte hard drive and end up efficiently mining Burstcoin and just accumulating it passively. And it's really undervalued right now. This one can go away. Like this can be a dollar by this time next year. It has a really low market cap, not even 100 million right now, and this can go way up. I predict this will be a dollar, and that's if you put a couple $1,000s in there, that's a really nice return you're gonna get by New Year's next year. So number 3 on the list, I have Digibyte, another original coin. It's time tested, which is so important because you can see the all-time lows, you can see the all-time highs over like a significant period of time, other than most of the newer coins, which are only a couple months old, and you don't really know where they're going to go. But these ones, you can more accurately predict what's going to happen with them because they've been around for so long. Another really undervalued one, and it's a really active project too. The project is constantly being updated. They're really developing hard, and they have a really good marketing team too. So once this catches on, more people see it, more people know about it. The price is already driving up right here, and it's gonna fly. This one's gonna fly. You don't want to miss Digibyte for your 2018 bag. So for number 2, I have Bikecoin. And again, another one of the original coins. Most of these coins I'm talking about today are original coins, which is one of the safer investments because, like I said, they're time tested. And another one extremely undervalued. And another also active project, which is exactly what you want to look for. And this one can easily be 10 cents by late spring, early summer, and that's huge because right now it's at like half a penny. So half a penny to 10 cents, that's a huge gain you can make off this. You can turn $1,000 into $20,000 in just a few months. And you really also, with these coins, all the coins I'm going to talk about today and forever, one thing I realized that really separates the veteran traders from the noob traders is all the noob traders, you're always interested in looking in the price for the US dollar. And you kind of ignore this orange line here, which is the price in Bitcoin. But it's actually the opposite what you want to do. You want to focus on the price in Bitcoin and you want to ignore the price in US dollar, because depending how well it's doing in Bitcoin, if there's a massive dip in Bitcoin but the US dollar is going up, you want to buy it because, well, you don't want to buy if it's crashing like to oblivion, but if it's in a dip, if the Bitcoin's in a dip and you can see like, yeah, you can predict that it'll go back up, you can actually make more Bitcoin that way than you can actually buying and holding Bitcoin. And that's what a lot of the veteran traders are doing. So that's something you guys want to research and look into. But my number one coin for the year 2018, which is what I was talking about on my last video as well on Friday, Dogecoin. Dogecoin is just has huge potential, and it's just so cheap right now too. Like I just went up. I just refreshed this page like 20 minutes ago, and it already went up like a couple of percentages there. Extremely undervalued, like really extremely undervalued, and it pumps hard. And they have hard, solid pumps. This is in the past month alone, and look at those pumps. It just keeps breaking it, and it gives you those nice opportunities to buy in the dips in between the pumps, and you really don't want to miss out on this one. This one really could go up to 10 or 25 cents by the end of next year, depending how well Bitcoin does, but not in the way you think. This coin will actually do better if Bitcoin does worse, because for the exact same reason I was explaining just a second ago, people, the veteran traders, are looking, when Bitcoin is doing bad, they're jumping into these altcoins to get more Bitcoin, because like I said, if the Bitcoin price is going down and it's going to bounce back, well, this one, if it goes to 10 or 20, 25 cents, that's a huge profit in Bitcoin that you'll make, way more than I predict you would make with actual Bitcoin. So I can just see the 25 cents already. So nice. But yeah, those are my predictions for 2018. Hope you guys liked the video. Jump into those, and please, if you're going to start trading, use my affiliate links. Take care, guys. Merry Christmas.